Hello guys, today I'm very excited for showing you this new product that I received. It's an electric spin scrubber, and well, this is like the design it has. And well, here in this side it comes like every part you can clean. For example, we can start with the floor, with the stove, with glass, with the toilet, the car, the wash stand. So, and maybe you're going to be asking, how can I clean like a lot of parts? Well, that it's because it came with 5 different brush heads, and every head it comes like for each part, because you can clean from hard size to a soft or rich places. So I'm going to be opening with you, and I'm going to be showing, because really I'm super excited for trying to use this one, because I like it because it's like smaller and you can have it in any place. Okay, now I'm having here the user manual and I'm seeing how to install. First, you're going to use this one. Here it goes, the head of what you're going to be cleaning. Okay, like that. And then again, putting this one, then you need to click this one on this hole. Okay, there. Okay, when you want to open it, you just put this one and then take them off. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like that, and then this one, it goes here. Okay, I think it goes just like this, and this one it close and do bigger, sorry, for you can clean better, okay, the places. If you want to do it, because this one it can rotate 135, so if you want to rotate, you need to just move it to clockwise, and then like this, and this is how it looks. For example, this one, I think that it's incredible for maybe cleaning the toilets or the car. And well, right now that I'm going to be cleaning the floor, I'm going to be showing you with this, okay, how it looks. And let me show you. Okay guys, now you need just to click here and it starts the product working. Then for example, like you can see, there is one, there is two, and there it turns off. Okay, so I'm going to show you with the first one. The second one, it goes faster. So you put it in the floor and you put just water and soap, and look how is it cleaning. Okay, and this one you can use it with many in many places. Okay, I think it is super perfect.